So, do you want to do video? Do you want to do video for whatever, for your business, for whatever, and you don't know what to do about audio? So, I want to give you an audio option. I film everything off my iPhone. And the reason why I do that is, do I have a nicer camera? Do I have a GoPro? Do I have nicer stuff? I absolutely do have all that nicer stuff. But I'm kind of ornery, a little bit, maybe a whole lot, just a little bit. And reason why I like doing it with my phone is because I can sit down on the couch when I'm watching my kids, whatever, and I can edit video and everything right from my phone. And that's why I like doing my phone. But when I first started doing it, I didn't have very good audio. So today I'm going to tell you what I use for audio and why I use it for audio. And I actually got two options. This is just going to be one option today. So I'm Jason Geiman here with PressureWashHelp.com to help you grow your business, be successful, and to change your life. So what I like to use is this right here in my hand, and they're called Skullcandy. They are a earbud that go around your neck, sits real close to your thing. The only thing you got to watch is so this thing don't slide and gets back here and it messes with the audio a little bit. But as long as you're keeping it here, it gets you good audio. And right now, I'm probably about 15 feet from the camera. And I'm going to walk over here and I will show you that my audio is still good. Right now, about 30 feet, 30 to 40 feet from that camera. I don't have to scream. I don't have to do nothing. It just picks it up. You know, I can keep going some more and I got good audio. That's what we want. We want good, clear audio. For our videos, you know, if you have crappy audio, you usually will lose your people pretty quickly. If you have good, clear audio, it goes a long way. These are just the Skullcandy that I use. I way overpaid for them way back probably about 2 years ago. We was at the airport and I forgot my earbuds, so I bought these. Now, with these in my iPhone that I use to film, you will need a certain app so that you can use Bluetooth for that. And it works with any Bluetooth. You can actually use the earbuds for this with that app. And the app is called Movie Pro. And I'll put a link down there in the description for the Movie Pro and also for the Skullcandy here for this here. But it really does make your audio what you want. It makes it nice and clear. I can do demonstrations with my hands. I'm not holding the mic. And I've had very few issues out of it. I think I might have went one time where the audio was, I thought the Bluetooth had hooked up and it didn't. And so I had bad audio on that one. And this audio, I had a truck go by here and you can barely hear it. I mean, it's pretty loud here. If I was using my iPhone, you would be able to hear that really loud and everything. And honestly, I bet you probably didn't even hear that truck go by. It's very directional to just keep the volume, the audio that's coming right here. And the fact is, when this gets slid around back, you can tell the difference in my audio of the directional of the audio. And so that's why I like these. And like I say, you can use the earbuds, the Airpods, they'll work with this. The app, I think, costs, I believe it's not that expensive. I believe it's like $5. But the app works really good with the Bluetooth earbuds or this here. So I just wanted to do a video. Video is very critical in helping your marketing, helping getting your name out, the whole 9 yards. And so if you want to grow your business, go down here and check out my Google My Business stuff. I got all kinds of stuff about Google My Business and how to get it on maps and the whole 9 yards there. And I also have a Google Ads up here. Check out my Google Ads of how to get business using Google AdWords. I go through step by step of how setting up a campaign. So, see you in my next video.